I welcome our junior wing head Sarika ma'am, our activity coordinator ma'am, and all educator and my fellow students. Dear friend, there is a saying, a day without laughter is a day waste. So let's not waste our day and get ready to tickle our funny mood. It is a universal truth that laughter is a positive and powerful emotion that has all the ingredients required for individuals to change themselves and to change the world in a peaceful and positive way. The topic for today's class assembly is Laugh Out Loud. Laughter Day. So are you all ready?
Yes!
Now I would like to call class 2D students on the stage to begin the assembly.
No morning can start without the blessings of Almighty, the creator of the whole universe. So let's join our hands and remember God with a prayer.
Now you can clap.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is your body cannot heal without play. Your mind cannot heal without laughter. Your soul cannot heal without joy. Thank you, and and have a laughter day. A day without laughter is a day wasted. Thank you and have a laughter day. If you want to stay healthy and happy, then all you need is a cake to laugh. Thank you and have a laughter day. Now I would like to invite Mansirat on the stage to speak a few lines on the importance of laughter. My name is Mansirat Kaur. I am studying class 2D. Topic of today is importance of laughter in my life. Laughter brings joy and make our lives beautiful. It normalizes blood pressure and reduces stress level. Laughter boosts our mood, strengthening us emotionally and mentally. Laughter burns calories and keep us fit and energetic. Reading funny books, watching comedy movies and sharing funny jokes can induce more laughter. Laughter makes people look attractive. Laughing improves our memory. Laughter fills people with positivity. Thank you and have a laughter day. Now I would like to invite my fellow friend Ekam Preet on the stage to recite a poem on laughter. My name is Ekam Preet Kaur. I will be reciting a poem on laughter day. Today is the laughter day. Laugh silently every day. Laugh, laugh and laugh and you get fright. Precious days become bright. Laugh and laugh, exist, test and stay. The happiest moment in your life, try to gain, try to win. Thank you and have a laughter day. Yoga is the ultimate act of harmony between your body and mind. It helps us to meditate and relax. Yoga teaches us that happiness is always available to us. So now students of class 2D will present laughter yoga in front of you. I request all of you to join us and start your day with laughter.
Anybody can do it.
Children, please get up, join in. Have fun.
together, but one can never forget the fun time spent laughing. So now my fellow mates are coming on the stage to make you giggle a bit. Karna, जब तक मैंने दिन क्यों नहीं आया सी? मैडम की बर्ड फ्लू हो गया सी। वो तो बख्शिया मुंडा। चलो छड्डो, अपना काम दिखाओ जेड़ा मैं कल दिता सी।
बेटा माइक ले
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਾਪਾ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਅਲੱਗ ਕਿਉਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ? ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਨਾ ਸਮਝੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਕਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਦੱਸੋ
नोटबुक्स को थोड़ा और आगे रखो।
ਇਹ ਬੱਤਾ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਪਿਆ? ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ? ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਬੱਤਾ ਸੁੱਕ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਕਿਉਂ? ਮੈਂ ਬੱਤਾ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੀ ਥੀ इसलिए। चलो गल्ला छड्डो ते दसो दुनिया च केड़ा पुराना जानवर है? चलो दसो समझा। मैडम जी ज़ेब्रा। ओके सब ज़ेब्रा ही है जेड़ा ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है। Thank you. Thank you.
Give them a big hand. And she's going to ask you something, some funny riddles for you. So are you all ready? Yes, Ritu.
Why did the child took a ladder to the school?
Listen what she said. Speak again.
Why the child took a ladder to the school?
Ladder.
Ladder to the school.
Because it's a high school.
No, ladder to the school means it's a high school. So we have to carry ladder.
Of the alphabet has most of the water.
Okay. Yes, lastly, let's listen to the next pupil.
Why did Timsy ma'am wear sunglasses to school? Because her children were so bright.
Because my children are so bright. So I wear sunglasses to school.
Hope you all had a day of laughter with us. Thank you.
Now I request Sarika Bam to please come and share her bath. Please come.
I would just like to share one thing. What is that? Ha ha. So, like the children did the laughter yoga. Do you know which is the best laughter yoga? To laugh out loud. Ma'am said today's theme is laugh out loud. So let's all together laugh out loud. Within a limit. If we laugh too much, then also people will think that we are a fool. Yes or no? We laugh sensibly. Yes. Yes. Wonderful. So children, you must laugh, but laugh sensibly. Yes. Yeah, so laughing is healthy because it helps us to exercise our lungs. The capacity of the lungs becomes bigger, larger. Yes, speak out loud. This is not laughing, what you are doing is not laughing. Yes, yes. But if you laugh in a ridiculous manner, then it becomes indiscipline. Like what you're doing. If you shout without reasons, then that laughter becomes indiscipline. We should know how to laugh. Everything has to be within a limit. So I really congratulate grade 2D. I think we had a lot of fun. And thank you, Trixie ma'am, for making us laugh, because most of the times we are frowning. We are all the time cribbing. But we should remember that God has given us such wonderful life. We must be thankful and we must always smile and make others also smile. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable work.